Good morning, students. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter 7 linear equations. Students, in previous class, exercise 7.1 we have finished and we have read about linear equations. Okay. Today, students, we will learn how to solve given linear equation. Solving means, students, we are to find the value of given variable in the equation. Okay, so solving linear equation, this is the topic for exercise 7.2. Students, here solving linear equations, two methods are given. First number method is the trial and error method, and second number is transposing method. For these two methods, students, I am taking exercise 7.1, question number 1. In this question number 1, students, you are to solve given equations by using trial and error method. Students, question number 1, solve the equation by trial and error method. Here I have taken x plus 7 is equals to 11. This is the linear equation. We are to solve this equation means we are to find the value of x. But trial and error method we are to use, and as you can see here, the name is indicating trial and error, means we will try here we will try the value by putting the value of x. Different values of x we will put here in the trial and error method. Suppose x is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, 2, 3, even in the minus also you can put the values of x. Okay, and students, here this x plus 7 is the LHS part, 11 is the RHS part. So when LHS and RHS will be equal, that will be the solution of the given equation. So in answer, student, first of all I am taking when x is equals to 1. Here I am taking x is equals to 1. Then student, LHS. LHS means x plus 7. It means plus 1 plus 7. It will be 8. That is not equals to 11. That is not is equals to 11. So x is equals to 1. It is not the solution of the equation. Second number, students, I am taking here x is equals to 3. Then LHS will be x plus 7 now. So at the place of x, 3 plus 7, this will be 10, and this is also not is equals to 11. So two times I have tried. That's why this is called the trial and error method. I have tried two times, x equals to 1, x is equals to 3, but there is an error. LHS is not is equals to RHS. One more value I am taking, x is equals to 4. Now LHS part, x plus 7, at the place of x, 4 plus 7, this is 11, and this is equals to 11. Means here LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. It means x is equals to 4 is the solution of given solution of equation. So this is students trial and error method. You are to put different values of given variable. According to you, any value you can take, but at least 3-4 values you are to take. In the minus also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, you can put the values. When LHS and RHS will be equal, that will be the answer. As here x is equals to 4 is the answer. Okay, students? Again I am saying we are putting different values and we are trying to get the answer. That's why this is the trial and error method. Students, now part second, 3x is equals to 15 upon 2. Here we are to put the value of x, that it should be 15 upon 2. Okay. So here, as you know, RHS part is in the fractional form, 15 upon 2. So here also at the place of x, students, we are to write fractional form. We are to put fractional value that contain denominator as 2. So I am taking here 1 upon 2. Okay. So LHS part is 3x. Then 3 multiply 1 by 2, it is equals to 3 upon 2, which is not is equals to 15 upon 2. Now I can take 3 upon 2. X is equals to 3 upon 2. Then LHS part will be 3 multiply x. It means 3 multiply 3 upon 2. It will be 9 upon 2. Again it is not is equals to RHS. Now I am taking x is equals to 4 upon 2 also you can take. I am taking here 5 upon 2. Now LHS means 3x. 3 multiply 5 upon 2. It will be 15 upon 2 will be equal 15 upon 2. It means LHS part is equals to RHS part. It means students x is equals to 5 upon 2 is the solution of given equation. Okay students. So why I have taken here 2 as a denominator? Because we needed 2 in right hand side. If you will take only 1, 2, 3, so you will never get 2 downside. Okay student, that's why here fractional form of x I have taken. Question number 2 students, check the value given in bracket is a solution of given equation. So here students equation is n plus 5 is equals to 19 and in bracket what is the value? N is equals to 1. N is equals to 1 is given and we are to check this is the solution of equation or not. So student, when it will be solution? When LHS and RHS both part will be equal by putting this value in equation, then it will be the solution of the given equation. Okay student. So n is equals to 1. I am putting in the LHS. N plus 5 means 1 plus 5, this is 6, is not is equals to 19. So no, it is not the solution of given equation. You will write full. Here LHS is not is equals to RHS. So n is equals to 1 is not a solution. Second number students, 4p minus 3 is equals to 13, where p is equals to minus 4. P is equals to minus 4. Again students, LHS part 4p minus 3, at the place of p what will come? Minus 4. 4 4s are 16 and minus 3. Minus minus plus means minus 19. Minus 19 is not is equals to this 13. It means LHS part is not is equals to RHS part. It means p is equals to minus 4 is not solution of given equation. Okay students. So how you will check students? The bracket value you are to put into the LHS part. Okay. When LHS and RHS will be equal, then it will be solution. Otherwise it will not be the solution. Students, now I am taking question number 3, that is solve and verify. First of all, we are to solve the given equation. Then we are to verify, means we are to check that our answer is correct or not. Students, in this question number 3, I am taking transposing method. That I told in the starting of the video. Solving linear equation, there are two methods. First is trial and error method that we have discussed in question number 1. Now in question number 3, I am discussing here transposing method. Because in trial method, we are to try 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. And here we are not to try, only we are to transfer the value from the LHS to RHS and from RHS to LHS. So first of all students, 6x minus 5, this is the LHS, is equal to 2x plus 11, this is the RHS. So here 6x and 2x. Okay. So what I will do here, I will transfer this 2x here. So both x, the value of both x will be same side. 6x minus 2x, because the sign of 2x is plus, it will come here in the minus. is equals to 11, same. Now I can transfer this 5 right hand side. It will be plus 5 because its sign is minus. Okay, sign will be opposite. So what I did here, I transpose 2x to left side and 5 to right side. So you are to write this in bracket. I have written students in bracket transposing 2x to LHS and 5 to RHS. Now 6x minus 2x, it will be 4x is equals to 11 plus 5, it will be 16. Then the value of x will be, now I will transport 4 from LHS to RHS. So it will come in the division because it is in the multiplication. The value of x will be 4 because 4 4s are 16. So what you will write here? Transposing 4 to RHS. Okay. So student, this is your answer. Now we are to verify. Verify means we are to check the given answer is correct or not. So how we students we will verify? We will put this x is equals to 4 in this given equation. Here you can put, here you can put, and here also you can put. When LHS and RHS will be equal, then the verification will be correct. Students, now 6x minus 5 is equals to 2x plus 11. This one I have taken, and x is equals to 4. I will put in both the side. 6, then multiply 4, 5. 2 multiply 4 plus 11. 6 4s are 24 minus 5. 2 4s are 8 plus 11. It will be 19. It will be 19. Both LHS and RHS equal now. That's why our answer is correct. This is the verification. I have put the value of x here. You can put here also and here also. Okay, students. Now one more part of third question I am taking. Student part second. 3x plus 4 bracket x minus 2. This is left hand side is equals to 3 bracket x minus 4 plus 2. It is right hand side. First of all, I will solve the bracket. 3x plus 4 multiply x, 4x. Then 4 multiply minus 2, minus 8 because 4 2s are 8. First 3 multiply x, 3x. Then 3 multiply 4, minus 12, then plus 2. 3 4s are 12. Students, now 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 8 is equals to 3x plus minus 12 and plus 2. Plus minus minus. 12 minus 2, it will be 10. Okay. And sign of greater number means sign of 12 will come in next step. Minus and plus was given, so minus plus minus. Why I am not including 3x? Because 3 is having variable. Okay. And 12 and 2 both are constant. So constant number we will solve. Now students, here we will use transposing method. So 7x minus 3x. I am transferring 3x from RHS to LHS. Then minus 10 and this 8 will go that side. So plus 8. 7x minus 3x, 4x, minus plus minus. 10 minus 8, 2. The sign of 2 will be minus. X will be minus 2 upon 4. Again I have transferred the 4. Now x is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Minus 1 upon 2 is the answer. Student, like this you are to write transposing 3x to LHS and 8 to RHS. Okay. Now verify. So any of the equation you can take to verify till here. Okay. So I am taking this one. 4x is equals to minus 2. This is the LHS. Now LHS 4x. And what is the value of x? Minus 1 by 2. So 4 multiply minus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 2 multiply minus 1, it will be minus 2. LHS part minus 2, RHS part minus 2. LHS and RHS both are equal. It means x is equals to minus 1 upon 2 is the correct solution, correct answer. Okay students. So students, in our today's class, question 1, 2, 3, some parts we have discussed. Rest of the parts, students, you will try by yourself and complete question till 1 to 3. Rest question 4 to 19 we will discuss in our next class. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.